Mm. Sir, papunta ako dun sa ano, yung issue ng threat. Sir, can you give us at least an idea? I know you cannot naman say
Mm.
everything, no? Give us an idea, what is this? Is this a bomb threat? Is this a threat na may magrarally sa
Mm.
labas ng Senado, susugod sa loob? At
Mm.
least give us a picture, sir.
Okay.
What threat are we talking about?
Okay. If you remember, nung Blue Ribbon na consultative meeting, nagsuspend si Chairman Erwin Tulfo at
Mm,
linapitan siya ni Director Matibag. No? At
mm,
hindi ko lang masabi in detail, no? But
Apo.
what he said is there's a possibility of na merong manggugulo, no, sa Senado. Uh, and it's a possibility na armed group yung manggulo, no? And tinanong ako ni Senator Erwin at that time kung ano ang magiging decision, and I told him na meron naman tayong security beef up in the Senate. If you notice, nag-beef up tayo ng security inside the Senate at tumingi rin tayo ng additional contingent sa PNP. No? And I told him
Mm,
I'm very confident na safe naman yung building. No? That's why tinuloy yung hearing at that time. No? And
mm,
hindi lang ako nakarinig yun. Ha? In fact, ang kausap niya yun si Senator Erwin at narinig din ng mga ibang mga senador doon. And ang assurance ko naman sa mga senador na through our Sergeant at Arms, ready tayo for any eventuality. That's why tinuloy. No? Nagkaroon lang ng earthquake kaya maaga inadjourn yung or maaga sinuspend yung hearing. And at that same day, I called the director of NBI to get more details. And shinare niya nga sa akin yung mga details na baka may mga manggugulo, no, sa loob ng Senado and they might be armed. No? So, out of abundance of caution, the following day I met with, of course, OSAA, our Sergeant at Arms. I immediately convened yung executive committee ng Senado, composed of the directors, composed of the higher officials of Senate. Nag-brainstorm kami kung ano yung gagawin. So yun, kaya naglabas ako ng dalawang memo. Isa yung heightened security measures at pangalawa yung work from home. So this is an offshoot of my consultation with the executive committee meeting. And
Sir, last,
yeah, I
go ahead.
gave instructions today to actually yesterday and today, no, to our sergeant at arms na in the next few days mag-network rin siya with our different intelligence agencies. Sabi ko nga marami tayong intelligence agencies eh. Kanya-kanyang in intelligence kasi kanya-kanyang ano yan eh. Kanya-kanyang network yan eh. No? So we need to validate the information para alam natin na paano ang mga next steps natin.
Sir, last on my part. Yung 18 Marines, are they suspect? Sila ba yung posibleng manggulo, sir? 18 Marines, I'm
Um,
sorry, yung hindi na
eating
nagpakilalang
bodyguards.
bagay. Mm,
Yung
yes, sir.
eating bodyguards.
Yes, sir. 18
Um,
Marines.
Actually, yun ang according to the NBI, it might be connected to them. So that's why out of abundance of caution, we took these steps, no, yung work from home and heightened security measures para lang masigurado natin na hindi apektado yung mga empleyado.
Sir, sorry. Connected to them meaning sila mismo ang manggugulo? Yun ho ba yung nakuha
Hindi,
natin
hindi,
na information?
hindi naman ganun. Ang sabi ng NBI, it might be connected to them.